Hello dear student, 7th class chapter integers. Today we are going to discuss about the integers. In 6th class I taught you the integers. There are three types of integers. One is positive integers, 0 and negative integers. So today we are discussing about the integers in detail. You can remind in class 6 you have studied the integer number line. The integers uh, on number line, at left side there are negative integers, in between them 0, and right side there are positive integers. So this integer line we have used in class 6. Now you can see here positive integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity, and on number line negative integers at the left side. So you can see here. Now, what are the operations we have to perform on number line? Addition, subtraction and multiplication using number line we have performed on whole number in class 6. Now in class 7th you have to perform these operations on integers. So one more thing you see here, a number line representing the integers. So this is try this for you. F represent -3, -2, E represent -3. So you can write here G, H, I. As you go right side, the numbers are increasing, and as you go to the left side, the numbers are decreasing. This you know. So using that technique, as you go left, the numbers are decreasing. As you go to the right, the numbers are increasing. So you can fill all the integers related to subsequent that alphabet. Suppose what is K, what is L, what is M, you can write here. So F is -2. Then what is G? G equal to -1. Then H equal to 0. Then I 1. J 2. Like this you can go. And D -4. C -5. So you can arrange the integers for the alphabet. So try this you can perform. Now come to the, suppose we add positive integers, we have to move to the right, and if we have to add negative integer, then we have to move to the left. Subtract positive integer, we move to the left. Subtract negative integer, we move to the right. This we have studied in class 6. Then you see here one examples. When two positive integers are added, we get positive integers. Whether this is true or false, you have to say. And when two negative integers are added, we get positive integer. So which one is correct? When two positive integers are added, we get positive integers. In class 6, I have made you one saying that dhana dhananchi berij dhana, runa runanchi berij runa. So like this, you can use that technique to understand. And one positive and one negative, एक धन एक ऋण, ऋण संख्येचं चिन्ह द्या. Now you can use that technique and you can write one positive integer and one negative integer when added, then the result become the negative integer. So using this technique you can solve these examples. Then come to the point. Suppose you can see here -10 plus 3. Some operations we are discussing. So -10 plus 3 equal to 10 minus 3. Is it correct? No. -10 plus 3 is -7 and 10 minus 3 is 7. So this is not equal. So this statement is wrong. The statement is false. So now you can see here some more examples. Integer 10, its additive inverse. Now what is meant by additive inverse? The number which is added to the given number, make it 0. So when we add -10 to the +10, so +10 minus 10 becomes 0. Then integer is 10, its additive inverse is -10. If -10 is there, then additive inverse is +10. If 76 is there, then additive inverse is -76. -76 is there, then additive inverse is 76. Like this you can go for the understanding of integers. Now you can see the patterns here: 7, 3, -1, -5. Then which integer comes next? You can write here -2, -4, -6, -8. So which integer comes after -10? You can write here. So 15, 10, 5, 0. Which integer comes after 0? You can write 3, 4 integers. And in this way you can complete these patterns very easy. You know that students, when we study the number line in class 6, as you know, successor and predecessors. And using that successor predecessor you can easily understand this. See, what is the successor of 2? 3. What is the successor of 4? 5. What is the successor of 0? 1. What is the successor of -1? 0. Then what is the predecessor of 0? -1. Then what is the predecessor of -1? -2. Then in this way, left side there are predecessors and right side there are successors. So who is greater, -1 or 0? 0 is greater, which is at the right side of the -1. So who is greater, -2 or -1? -1 is greater because it is at the right side. This we have studied in class 6. So who is greater, -6 or -3? -3 is greater because it is at right side of the -6. So the number which is too bigger, then it is smaller. Suppose -100, -1000. So -1000 is smaller than -1. -1 is the greatest negative integer. -1 is the greatest negative integer. And from all the negative integer, 0 is the greater. So further if we proceed, then you can see here, some try these, you can solve. One example is there. You can see here, exercise 1.1. The following number line is given and temperature in degree Celsius is shown. Lahore Spiti -10 degrees, Srinagar -5 degree, then Shimla 5 degree, Ooty 10 degree. This example was there in 6th class also, and in Bengaluru 21, 22 degrees. So you can write the temperatures of the given city in numbers. What is the temperature? So if you try to solve this, you can easily solve this textbook examples from the textbook. Thank you very much.